What's up guys, Nashty here and welcome back to my channel. So did you guys miss me? I think this is the first time that I am vlogging again with my face on the screen probably since the pandemic started. The reason for that is we're gonna do another product unboxing and hands-on review. So which product am I talking about? It is the Xiaomi Mi Smartband 5. So it's this one. So this is not an entirely new product. It's not really a fresh release. It was released mid this year. I'm gonna show you the box, the package, what it contains, and some accessories that actually came with the device. This was actually bought from an online store. I think the total amount that was paid was about 1,500 pesos, including the shipping and the freebies. The actual cost was about 1,400 pesos. So this is not the suggested retail price. It actually retails for around 1,700 pesos if you go to the Xiaomi official online store in Lazada. Why this one is cheaper? Well, this is, I believe, is the China version. As you can see, if you look at the box, there's this like Chinese characters below and also on the side, at the back. So yeah. So later, I'll also tell you what's the difference between the Chinese version and the global version of the Xiaomi Mi Smartband 5 or Xiaomi Mi Band 5 in short. I hope you're as excited as I am to do this unboxing and hands-on review. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get down to business because it's about to get nasty. Let's start the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Smartband 5. So as I've said earlier, I have here some freebies that came with the box. So we have here extra straps. So we have white and navy blue, and then we have here the screen protector. So let's put these things aside and let's check out the box. So as you can see, there's the Mi branding on top. There's the photo of the device itself. It says here 5. And then there's some Chinese characters below. On the left side, again, it's basically Chinese characters as well. At the back, more Chinese characters that I don't understand. Let's already open the box. There's actually a seal here that I already tried removing earlier. So let's open the box. So we pull it out. So let's remove the box. So we have here the Smartband itself. And then what else does this come with? Let's see what this is. Okay, so we have here the charger. This one's the charging cradle, which connects magnetically via 2 pogo pins, and then the other end connects to a USB port. So is there anything else inside? There's something here. Let's see. There. So it's basically just some paperwork, and they're all in Chinese, so no purpose. Let's just remove it. And so let's now check out the Mi Band 5. So there you go. So wow, I don't know if you can see this one clearly. So when it hits the light, you can see there's this small button here. So as you can see, the strap is black. It's actually TPU or polyurethane. It's basically an elastic plastic, and the band itself, it's also plastic. As you can see at the back, you'll find the Mi logo, the heart rate sensor, and where you connect your charger. I think the nicest addition here is that you don't have to remove the band itself from the strap. You just have to connect this magnetically, like this one there. So it's already attached. So that's actually a nice move on Xiaomi's part. I charged it a bit because it was dead when I got it from the box. So let's see, let's try wearing it. So there, just choose the right. So there. So it's very lightweight and comfortable. I won't mind wearing it all day, even probably when sleeping, working out. The device itself is made of plastic. The front part is glass. It's an AMOLED display. This one's already turned on. Prior to this, everything was in Chinese, so I just had to download the Mi Fit app on the phone, and then automatically it was detected, and then all of a sudden the language changed to English. I think there's a lot more customizations available on the Mi Fit app. Let's just focus on the band now. So as you can see here on the main menu, you have the time, date, battery life, number of steps taken, of course the heart rate, status. This is the number of distance ran or walked, heart rate sensor, notifications, no notifications at the moment, stress, breathing, then reminders, weather, workout. There's like 11 workout modes that you can choose from, and then more. So let's see what we can change. D&D, alarm, camera, music, stopwatch, timer, find device, band display. Oh, so this is where you can actually change the look or the watch face, the band face, the settings, brightness. You can, so this is full brightness, and this is like the darkest. So let's try full brightness. Auto screen off. Let's put it at 10 seconds so it doesn't turn off fast. Lock screen is off. Reboot, factory reset, regulatory. So yeah, basically these are the settings that you can find on the watch. It's very self-explanatory, especially if you've used this prior. So I want a different band display. Okay, so let's try the heart rate. So there, it's 84 beats per minute. Let's go into the technical specifications of the Xiaomi Mi Smartband 5. It packs a 1.1-inch AMOLED display of 126p resolution with 2.5D reinforced glass oleophobic coating and a one-touch display button. It weighs just 11.9 grams. It has a plastic body with aluminum buckle and TPU strap. It is 580 or 50-meter water resistant with 16 megabytes of storage and 512 kilobytes of RAM. It can be connected to your smart device via the Mi Fit app. It also has sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, microphone, rotor motor, and heart rate sensor. It features Bluetooth 5.0. It has a 125 mAh battery and connects magnetically to its charger. It promises up to 14 days of battery life with typical use. It is compatible with devices running Android 5 or later and iOS 10 or later. As I mentioned earlier, there are some differences between the global version and the Chinese version of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So the one that I have is the Chinese version. So for the global version, as you can see, it has no NFC support, no blood oxygen saturation level sensor, and it has no voice assistant support. As for the Chinese version, there's an optional NFC. Basically, they have two versions, one with NFC and one that doesn't have. So for the one with NFC, it also comes with Union Pay along with Alipay, and it has a blood oxygen saturation level sensor along with the Xiao AI voice assistant, which works only in China. As for the price, as you can see, the global version is more expensive than the Chinese version, maybe because they have to export it outside of China, even though it has less features. It must be noted that the global version actually has a microphone, so probably in the future they could enable the voice assistant feature like Alexa or Google. Guys, prior to this unboxing and hands-on review, I already did a vlog on the best budget smart bands that you can buy in the Philippines this year. In fact, the Xiaomi Mi Smartband 5 is one of the choices there. And as you can see on our comparison table, the Xiaomi Mi Smartband 5 is actually better off compared to its competitors. Starting with display and resolution, you can see that the Mi Band 5 is the cheapest smartband with an AMOLED display. It also has the largest and one of the most pixel-dense screens. It is also the lightest among the bunch, weighing at just 11.9 grams. While it may not have the most features, it counters with the longest battery life at about 14 days. So it currently retails for 1,790 pesos on the Xiaomi flagship store on Lazada. So it's not really expensive. In fact, it's quite affordable and the features actually justify its price. The Xiaomi Mi Smartband 5 is definitely a great buy. And I'm giving it a 4 out of 5 stars. So thank you so much guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Only here on the channel where Nashti is nice. I'm Nashti. Till then.